There you go. You've got a fantastic flavored dinner there. We haven't done anything. It's all gone in the oven. That is absolutely amazing. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, one tray, one sauce, bursting with flavor, one incredible dinner. Let's do it. Come on. I'm using chicken thighs, skin on, bone in. Got a little bit of veggies to prep. Potatoes, I've already started cubing, but for those starting out, we want to be cubing the potatoes. Okay, in there. So there you go, you've seen what we've done there. Onions, we're slicing into wedges. Okay. Doesn't matter how big, how small. You can even slice if you want, that's up to you. Peppers or capsicums, we are slicing. Any which way, across, down, it doesn't matter. Depends on what you want. Using red and green. The red's slightly smaller than the green one, but we're not bothered about that. In there. You want your oven on at 200 degrees. We want some olive oil in the bottom of there. Want our potatoes in there. And as you can see, I've got a couple of little new potatoes which I had left. They're in there as well. Want a little bit of olive oil on there. You can season this, a little bit of salt, pepper. Want to give that a little mix in. And we're going to chuck that in the oven for about 20 minutes while we prep everything else. There you go. Come on. A little bit of garlic, the usual. Big as small as you like. That will do nicely. Nice and steady this. Okay, we want to be mixing up a little bit of a marinade. Now, today's ingredient, which is chipotle peppers in adobe sauce. I had to get these online, but you know, supermarkets stock them or you can buy them online. This is going to be the flavor for this dish, along with maple syrup and a little bit of smoked paprika and what have you. Okay, so we need to get into this tin. Nice and easy, look. Oh, look at that chipotle sauce in there. In fact, I better say it properly. Chipotle. There you go. We've got a bowl. So let's take 1, 2, and that makes 3. We want to be mincing them up. Okay. So on there. Oh, what a smell. Fabulous. Back in that bowl. Okay, we want 3 tablespoons of that sauce out of there. Want a couple of tablespoons of maple syrup in there. 1, 2. Now you can use honey for this recipe. I 100% prefer maple syrup. Has a better flavor. What about 3 tablespoons of lime juice? Now I've just picked this straight off the tree. 1, 2. Oh, there you go. We got about 3 in there, look. From that half a lime. In there, minced garlic. couple of teaspoons of Worcester. Smoked paprika. A couple of teaspoons. Ground cumin. Dried oregano. Olive oil. And mixy. And that is our marinade sauce. Okay, bring back in your chicken thighs. Okay, and what we want to do is put about 2/3 of our sauce in there. Now, it's only a guesstimate. You don't have to worry about this. Okay, and you want to be getting your chicken covered in that. And that's just going to sit there about 20 minutes while those potatoes are cooking in there. Under the skin, whatever. There you go. And just leave it there. Okay, once you've had about 20 minutes on those potatoes, you'll have that. Give them a stir. We're going to be chucking in our onions and our pepper. Just give it a mixy. Get some of that going down there. Look at that for colour. There's some colour there. Right, this is going to give out quite a lot of fluid. That last third of our sauce in there. And we're going to stir it all through. Okay, just give that a little shufty in there. Fabulous. Take our chicken out of there and on there. And don't waste the sauce. So that's going in the oven about 45 minutes. Come on. Okay, Owen, you've had about 45 minutes. We can get that out of there. Oh yeah. Oh, on there, look at that. That is sensational. Oh, in there. Look at that. On there. Chicken. Oh. For me, some tortillas. There you go. You've got a fantastic flavored dinner there. We haven't done anything. It's all gone in the oven. That is absolutely amazing. A little bit of that juice from in there. Now you're talking. There you go, an absolutely cracker of a meal right there. You've got all your veggies, your potato, all that in there, look. Just move that lime. You've got your peppers, you've got this lovely flavoured sauce, and you've got this smoky flavoured chicken. Look at that. And obviously we had crispy skin until we drizzled all the juice over, but not to worry. Potatoes. Oh, amazing. Come on, let's get in here. We got a spoon here, look at that chicken. Look at that. That is sensational. Look in there. Okay, I've put some rice on just to show you. You could serve it with rice, coleslaw, salad, whatever. I like tortillas. I absolutely love tortillas in there. You know, we're making a chicken with adobo sauce. It goes so well. Look at that. Oh, get some of that onion mix in there. Oh, we'll have some rice. We got the rice. Oh, we are in. That is absolutely amazing. We got all those flavors, that roasted flavor on those potatoes, the peppers, the onion. We got an adobo sauce, but it's watered down. It's not thick because it's all been cooked in there. Absolutely fabulous. There you go. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to put this one tray together with that chipotle flavor, that adobo sauce. It's not a thick sauce. It's watered down because we've cooked it all in one tray. It's superb. Eat with rice, eat with tortillas. There you go. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. That is amazing.